Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study CA Inter Law. First, begin by thoroughly understanding the entire syllabus and the weightage assigned to each chapter. This strategic overview will help you allocate your study time effectively. Next, prioritize developing a strong conceptual understanding of all legal provisions. Avoid simply memorizing. Instead, grasp the underlying principles. Finally, dedicate significant time to practicing answer writing for both case studies and direct questions, which is crucial for exam success. To study effectively, establish a well-structured study timetable and adhere to it consistently. This discipline ensures steady progress across all topics. Employ visual aids like flowcharts and diagrams to break down intricate legal provisions into easily digestible formats. For instance, visualize the steps of a company incorporation. Furthermore, regular revision is paramount. Dedicate at least 1/4 of your study time to revisiting older topics, solidifying your understanding and improving recall during examinations. Practice is key to mastering CA Inter Law. Make it a point to solve at least 5 past examination papers and several mock tests, strictly adhering to the 3-hour time limit. This simulates the actual exam environment. After each practice session, meticulously analyze your performance to pinpoint weak areas. Devote additional study time to these challenging topics. Additionally, create your own concise revision notes, perhaps 20 to 30 pages per subject, which will be invaluable for a swift review before the exam. On exam day, begin by reading each question thoroughly to grasp its precise demands. Misinterpreting a question can lead to incorrect answers. Allocate your time wisely, ensuring you attempt every question, even if it means writing a brief answer for some. Aim to spend approximately 1.8 minutes per mark. Finally, present your answers with utmost clarity and logical flow, always citing relevant sections of the law and important case laws where applicable, to score maximum marks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.